Hey folks, it's Greg and Janet with Strange RV Tours, and we wanted to give you a little bit of an update as to what's been going on with us. We've now been living in our motorhome full time for three and a half weeks, and we had a few things, a little unusual happen to us in the last few days. We thought we'd pass it along to you. Um, you want to tell them about our experience at Topak? Arizona. We were staying at the Route 66 Golden Shores RV Park. Go ahead.
Neverland. I don't know. It's a little place. People were really nice. Hunter and Jeff. They were nice guys. They were taking care of the property for the owners. Wasn't very busy there.
No, and it was tiny. I think they had 38 total RV sites. It was two levels. They had an upper level where that was probably the full-time RV or the full-time residents there. And then they had a lower level that was closer to the lake that was there near the property. So we had a really nice view of the lake. It is rustic, very rustic out there. In fact, you're pretty much out there by yourself. So, but we had something strange happen. We got settled in, got our motorhome leveled, got set up, and about 3 hours after we got set up, at about 6 o'clock, all the power went off. It's 110 degrees outside at the time, and all the power went off. So we went through all of the checks of, was it a breaker in our RV? Was it a fuse?
Was it the pole?
Was it the pole?
Was it the plug on the line?
The RV surge protector. We went through all of it.
Yeah. Then it started getting dark, and we realized it's only solar little lawn lights were on. No house lights, no street lights, no street lamps, nothing else was on. And you called, right?
Yeah. I went up to the manager's office to find out if they had a power problem, and he wasn't there. He had already left for the day or something. I guess he wasn't there. But one of the people that were staying up there as a resident in the RV park told us that the power had gone off the day before for 3.5 hours. So they were saying it's probably the same situation. Well, no, it wasn't. Earlier, about 5:30, we had a few sprinkles. Started raining just a little bit, but I guess close to where we were, they had a major storm, and it took out several power lines, power poles, transformers. Ended up there was 6 small communities that had lost power, including Boulder, or not Boulder, Bullhead City,
the valley,
Fort Mojave, Topak, which is where we were staying, and a couple other communities.
But most of the valley, yeah.
But when they started trying to restore it, they said that they couldn't. I had called the electric company, and the electric company said that they were going to be working on it all night. They didn't think that they were going to be able to get the power back on that night, but they had all their crews out there. And needless to say, it was about 3 a.m., I guess, when the power came back on, and it was hot. I mean, it was really hot.
At midnight, we had all the windows open on the bed and all that. Midnight, it was 95.
Was it really? I thought it was still around 100. It was hot. It was hot.
Yeah.
So, and with it being right after a rain, it was very humid. Yeah, and so,
miserable.
We went from loving living in our motorhome to instantly wishing we had never done this before. So, but they got it fixed and worked out for us in the end. So luckily it wasn't a problem with our RV. It was a problem with the power. And then this evening I had a little gaffe that I was working on some videos and working on some photos, and I accidentally deleted 12,000 family photos. And gone. I mean, off the computer. Can't recover them. And so needless to say, we were quite upset at that. So I decided I'm gonna stop messing with the photos. I'm gonna work on videos instead. And I thought, well, I'll delete some of the content that the clips that we didn't use. While I was doing that, I messed up our program, our video program. Thought we'd lost all of our videos, and we had about 20 have about 28 of them that we haven't actually put up yet. So there for a minute I was thinking, oh no, there goes the last 3.5 weeks of filming and working on videos. But I was in a panic. Luckily,
Yeah, I'm not going back to Topak.
Oh no.
Actually, we didn't film there, did we?
No, we took some photos
I
of
took
Topak,
photos.
but
Yeah.
because of the outage of power, we didn't get a chance
Yeah.
to do a real video of the
Mm.
RV park. So we've gotten really good at staying at RV parks where you're kind of out in Neverland.
Mhm.
So, but I was really concerned about the videos. I was really panicked, and luckily my wife has a much calmer head than I did and was able to calm me down. And we worked our way through it, and turns out we were able to keep all of the videos. It looks like so. Um, Luckily, the last 3.5 weeks of work on videos and filming hopefully won't go for naught. So, but anyhow, is there anything that you want to bring up about living in the RV full time? How's your experience been? What have you thought about it? Or
Well, you never know what you're gonna get.
that's true.
What's next? Yeah, but actually, we're learning. We're doing better. We're more comfortable now that we've made some modifications and
Yeah.
stuff. So
Yeah.
anyway,
And,
more comfortable. Are we going to go for a hike tomorrow? You think?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. You guys will probably see a video in the future, but tomorrow we're planning on going for a hike to a local hot spring here.
A real hike, a mile
A real
and a
hike,
half.
mile and a half hike out in the desert through some canyons to locate Burrow Hot Springs. And
Is it called Burrow?
well,
No.
it's
Off Burrow Creek.
it's off of Burrow Creek, so some people call it Burrow Hot Springs, but there's it's actually called Kaiser Hot Springs.
Yeah.
But so anyhow, we're looking forward to that.
We're going to get lost, you know it.
Oh yeah, and it's
We'll see.
going to be over 100 degrees tomorrow. So if you guys don't hear from us in the next couple of weeks, send help. but
Right.
Anyhow, anything else you'd like to say or bring up?
No. I'm just making sure the cat doesn't knock off your book.
Oh well,
She's a mess.
Yeah. So anyhow, if you enjoy our videos, please hit the like button. If you really enjoy our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so that you get updates as to when our future videos are coming out. So anyhow, good luck to everybody out there and be safe, and we'll see you again real soon. Goodbye.